How do you delete a folder in Yahoo Mail on the iPad? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, if we get inside our Yahoo Mail app, as usual, you can see we get to browse our emails and everything is seemingly normal, but in order to switch between folders, we actually have to tap on the button at the bottom, which you can see you can expand it like this, and it might be selected to inbox at first, right? So you can click on the inbox and switch to a different folder. So you can see I have a couple of folders at the bottom and also a couple of prepared ones like the scheduled, sent, drafts, and so on. But you can see that at the bottom, the folder, which is literally titled folder, is the one I created myself. If I want to delete it, all I have to do is just to click on it as such. It is now open, and I can click on the three dots next to it. And then now I can rename it, create a subfolder, or click on a delete. And when I click on a delete, you can see that delete and empty the folder, right? It's going to delete it and empty it. So I'm going to click on OK, and it's now gone. So that's how it works, but you can notice that the email I had in there also disappears and gets deleted with the folder. So if you want to keep those emails, it would make sense to at first move them somewhere else, perhaps create a new folder or move them back to the main inbox so you don't actually lose them if you want to keep those emails. And it would be ideal to just delete empty folder like that. So that's what I wanted to explain, and let me know if it worked the same way on your iPad too. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next uploads.